Welcome to Rakuten Stay MOTEL Kujukurihama Katakai 202, a sanctuary by the sea, and your journey begins with a simple scan of the QR code or a glance at the description below to secure your exquisite escape. Nestled in the captivating coastal town of Choshi, Japan, this haven offers a symphony of serenity, perfectly poised to rejuvenate the soul. Picture yourself arriving at 3 p.m., the anticipation of a truly unforgettable experience, building with each passing moment. Within the walls of this meticulously appointed 1 LDK retreat, you'll discover a world of comfort and elegance. Thoughtfully designed spaces flow seamlessly, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living, especially with the inviting BBQ terrace. Our commitment extends to every detail, ensuring a stay that is both effortless and enriching. Imagine waking refreshed, knowing a leisurely morning awaits. Checkout is at 10 a.m., allowing ample time to savor every final moment of your stay. Families are warmly welcomed, with children aged 0 to 1 staying free of charge, reflecting the hotel's dedication to creating memorable experiences for every guest. Wi-Fi is complimentary for all guests. Allow us to orchestrate your escape to Rakuten Stay MOTEL Kujukurihama Katakai 202. Scan the QR code now to book your unparalleled experience.